If I look at my career, 2023 this year has been the best one so far, but the recap will be quite short. Everything I want to say is thank you. This year's biggest highlight is being surrounded by some amazing human beings that are helping me becoming who I am today and who I want to be tomorrow. Thanks to all my colleagues in Clarinet supporting me basically on a daily basis, I'm getting better at coding, but also in cooperating with the clients, managing teams and projects. They also give me enough trust to get involved in the recruitment process that is draining so much energy. But wow, what an experience! There's so much to learn from others. Thank you to all the friends, old and new, that I'm meeting at conferences. Even though we speak in person for just a couple hours every year, there's so much value in that, and I'm not even talking about the technical knowledge, but rather strengthening those human connections that are really the biggest win I could hope for. And last but not least, thank you everyone watching my content on YouTube, reading my articles, sharing feedback and comments, because you're really giving me the motivation to keep doing this in my spare time and always for free and for you. You see that GitHub star plate here in the background? It really means a lot to me, and it's there thanks to you. I promise I'll keep doing my best in sharing knowledge, in participating in projects, giving back to the community at least as much as the community is giving me. And with that said, thank you all for being part of this amazing 2023. I really hope 2024 will be again the best year of my life, well, until 2025. And with that said, Happy New Year everyone!